Ah, St. Patty's Day. Good times. Today is the day when all of us channel our inner Irishmen and get blackout drunk on green beer at the bar. I mean, it's awesome. But while all of my friends are out there doing just that, I'm gonna be indulging in some sweets. Because one of the things I've learned recently that I love is that my little leprechaun loves the sugar. We have a little dance party every single night after a treat. And let me tell you, today is going to be no different because I'm gonna be making my gluten-free, vegan, chocolate mint cupcakes that are super delicious for St. Patty's Day because there's some green in there, but also really festive for any time of year. So you're gonna love this recipe. Let's do this. First, I make a flax egg by combining some ground flaxseed with some unsweetened almond milk and giving it a good stir. Then I pop it into the refrigerator for 15 minutes to set up. Next, to a bowl, I add some almond flour, coconut flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt, and I give it a quick stir. Then I add my flax egg, some melted vegan butter, maple syrup, and mint extract, and I give that a good stir till it all comes together. Finally, I fold in some dairy-free dark chocolate shavings before portioning it into some lined muffin tins. Pop it into the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 to 24 minutes, and let's make our frosting. For our frosting, I whip together some vegan butter with lots of powdered sugar and then a little bit of natural green food coloring. Now it's time to decorate. Once the cupcakes have cooled down, I top them off with a really generous portion of that vegan buttercream and then top everything off with some chocolate sprinkles and vegan chocolate shavings. Enjoy! Well guys, I hope you enjoyed my recipe for my vegan, gluten-free chocolate mint cupcakes. I know I definitely enjoyed mine, and my baby, ditto. Seriously, we've been kicking up a storm for the past hour. So I hope you love this video. If you did, be sure to give it the thumbs up. Leave me a comment below with some of your favorite St. Patty's Day treats. What are some of the great green things in your life that you totally love? Leave me a comment below about some of your favorite St. Patty's Day treats and all the great green foods there are out there. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time on Abby's Kitchen. Bye!